Passive income is money earned with minimal effort or active involvement once the initial setup is done. Unlike a traditional job where you trade time for money, passive income allows you to generate revenue continuously with little daily maintenance. Common types of passive income: 1. Investments, dividends from stocks, interest from bonds or high-yield savings accounts, rental income from real estate. 2. Online business and content creation, selling digital products, ebooks, courses, printables. Affiliate marketing, earning commission from promoting products. YouTube or blogging, ad revenue, sponsorships. 3. Real estate, rental properties, real estate crowdfunding or REITs, real estate investment trusts. 4. Automated business models, drop shipping or print-on-demand stores, licensing intellectual property, music, patents, or art. 5. Other sources, peer-to-peer lending, earning interest by lending money. Creating an app or software that generates sales over time. Why passive income is powerful. Financial freedom. It can help cover expenses without active work. Scalability. Unlike a job, passive income can grow without increasing workload. Security. Multiple streams of passive income reduce dependency on a single paycheck. While passive income requires upfront effort, it can eventually provide long-term financial benefits.